Good morning, children. See the key for assignment 2. First question. Who discovered in which year cell was discovered? Cell was discovered in 1665. Okay, cell was discovered in 1665. Second question. Who first studied living bodies? Living bodies were studied by Antony van Leeuwenhoek. We studied that Antony van Leeuwenhoek used different microscopes, and when he used those different microscopes, he took so many living bodies just like fecal matter, water, all those, and studied number of living bodies such as bacteria, fungi, all these in it. So Leeuwenhoek is the answer. Third one is, what are the structural and functional units of living body? Cell is the structural and functional unit of living body. Why? Because every living organism starts its life with a single cell. Without that cell, no living organism can start its life. Next, fourth one, give the names of different stains. Stain. What is meant by stain? Stain is a colored substance where it is useful for observing the parts of a cell clearly. Observing the parts of a cell clearly. So, stain is a colored substance. And the examples are safranine, red ink, methylene blue. Safranine, red ink, methylene blue. You can write all these things. Okay, next fifth one. Differentiate between unicellular and multicellular organisms. Okay, differentiate between unicellular and multicellular. So, what are the differences between unicellular and multicellular organisms? So, the differences between unicellular and multicellular organisms are, you can write in the form of a tabular form, unicellular, multicellular. So, unicellular organisms, they are made up of single cell. They are made up of many cells. Next example, amoeba, here unicellular, and here you can write anyone, dog, human being, anything. Okay, multicellular. Next, what is the shape of the nerve cell? Nerve cell shape is long and elongated. Nerve cell shape is long and elongated. Write the smallest, largest and longest cells with sizes I asked. Okay? Smallest cell, Mycoplasma or PPLO, 0.1 to 0.5 micrometers. Next, largest cell is ostrich egg, and it is of the size of 17 into 18 centimeters. It is of the size of 17 centimeters into 18 centimeters. Okay, ostrich egg is the largest cell. And coming to the longest cell, longest cell is nerve cell, (90 to 100 centimeters. Okay. Next question. What are pseudopodia? Describe their function. Pseudopodia are finger-like projections formed from the body of amoeba. Formed from the body of amoeba. Here you can observe in the form of a diagram like this. So these are the pseudopodia which are formed in the body of amoeba like this, and they are useful for, what do you call that, from any side they will form like this. From any side they may form like this. So these are helpful for locomotion. Locomotion means movement, and food capture, food taking. Food taking also they are helpful. Okay, children? So pseudopodia are the structures formed from the body of amoeba, and they are mainly any side they will form in the body of amoeba for moving from one side to another side, or for taking the food whatever is present inside the water. Next one is Dash discovered nucleus. Robert Brown. Robert Brown. Next, last answer. Jelly-like substance in the cell is called cytoplasm. This is the fluid present inside the cell, and it contains many number of cell organelles also. It contains many number of cell organelles also. So that is the end of assignment 2, children.